All right, this is my third video in the series where I am talking about why I switch hosting and I will create a website from scratch. So if you haven't watched the last video, the last two video, go and watch them and you will learn how you can do this. So now since yesterday I checked in the transfer from the other hosting to this company, it has completed, and now I am going to log into my account and I will show you how to start the website, how to create the website, affiliate website or drop shipping, blogging, or whatever website you want to create. You can create your website and start making money. And you can do that as your business also if you want to create website for other people, other marketers, because it's a lot of work. Well, it's not a lot of work, but for those who just started, who doesn't know how to do that, it's kind of, a lot of work. It's a lot of work for them. And if you know how to create website, and a lot of people, they will not take time to deal with tech stuff, they better let someone else deal with that for them. And most people on Fiverr or in other places that building website, that selling that service, it's the same thing they are doing. In less than 20 minutes, you can build a website. I'm telling you, I did that. Check my video on YouTube. I built a simple site in 22 minutes. It's possible. You can do it. If you learn how to do that, you can create 20 websites a day. And let's say you charge $50 for each. And if you have enough gig, you can make a lot. So let's go, and I will log in right now and I will show you how I will create that website. Let's go. All right, my website is bestelectronicreviews.com. Let's log in. And this is my account right here. And if you want to purchase your first, or you want to create your first website and you haven't done that, to practice, you will need to create your website so you can practice. To practice, go to www.millionairetech.com/hosting, and I will leave a link in the description of this video. Purchase your first hosting and you will get a domain free. You won't have to pay for the domain. The domain will be free. All you will have to do is just to pay for the hosting, and you ready to go. So let's log in. Just click on logging into WordPress. All right, I am on my WordPress dashboard right now. So anytime you log in on WordPress for the first time on your website, you can see right now here I have my domain name, and I have all this thing right here. I don't need none of this. And to remove them, because this come automatically with Bluehost when you install the theme, it's come with all these. So I don't need none of them. So let me go first thing. Let me remove them so I can have a clean dashboard. So let's go to plugin, because all these, they call them plugins. This is all the plugins. So I don't want those plugins. Let's go and uninstall them. So Askimate, this one I need it. It's for anti-spam. I need it. Bluehost, I don't want Bluehost. Let me deactivate this. And each of them I deactivated, it will disappear from this sidebar right here. And let's say Bluehost. Okay, I deactivated it, and let's delete it because I don't want it. Just remove everything. And creative mail contact. Google Analytics for WordPress by Monster. I don't want this. I will install my own Google Analytics. So let me remove this. I don't want no Monster on my website. Let me remove it. Okay, delete. Holy Dolly. I don't need that Holy Dolly. I'm not even know what is this. Remove it. Jack Jet Park. I don't want it. I don't know what is it. speed up your site. And remember, if you deactivate something, you can go back in and add it again. Just come here and click on the search right here and type the name. Like, let's say I wanna install Holy Dolly. Let me see, Holy Dolly. That was the name, Holy Dolly, something like that. Well, I don't know. So any plugin you want, you can come here and you check. You will find it here and then install it. It's simple. And let's go back to, because I still have a lot. Monster. I don't want Monster because I'm going to use my own opt-in, and I will use my own software. I will use Aweber to create my opt-in. So I don't want this web form. And Yoast, I can leave Yoast. I can use the free version that they give me because I use it in some of my other website. There's two SEO tools that I use. It's the first one is SEO Press and the second is Yoast. Both of them are really good when it's come to create web, or not create, but when it's come to boost your ranking factor on when it's come to SEO. So Jetpack, let me, I don't want this either. Order, submit, close. I'm going to leave only this, but there's a few that I have to install right now. So let me install this one, which is a classic editor. So let me install this one because I need it. Activate. Always activate your plugin after you install it. And I will need what else? So for this, let me leave it like this, and I can come back and activate some more plugins that I did, and I have some plugin that I have, and I will install them. So now, since we uninstall all those unwanted plugin, now this is how my dashboard look like. So this is all the plugin that I have, and the next thing to do is come to setting. So this is where we will start setting our websites. So click on general for the setting. You see here where it says welcome. Let me open another window so I can show you what I'm talking about. Or let me make it easier, incognito, best electronic. So that way you can see what I'm doing and anything I change. Okay. Now you see how it's look like. Here you see welcome, hello world, all this thing. So let's go back here. So this is the title of my website, which is best electronic, and the tagline. So I can come back. Let me put this: best electronic choices at hand. Let me put something like this. Here I have, see, all right, I don't have to change nothing else here. Just come here and click save. I save it. Okay, it's saved. Let me go to the where's the incognito website. Let me go and refresh, and you see up here, before it says welcome, now it says best electronic. So let me go back. The next thing, let's go to writing. Click on writing. Here where it says, I can leave this the way it is, and here the editor. Okay, I have to come back and do this later because I am going to use a different theme. So let me go work on the theme first, and before I can come back and do this thing. And the next thing I will have to change reading. So I'm on the reading right now. I don't have to change nothing here. And here you can see I don't have nothing installed, but I will change it to a static page. Always static. Okay, change it to static page and save. Always do this. Simple page. Okay, simple page. Save. Okay, static and simple page. And let's go back and check how it's look like. Let me see. Where's my incognito window? And let's come to permalink. Always do those things if you want your website to show good. So here, I don't have nothing to show you because I don't have any posts yet. But you need your posts. When you click on your post, you need to see your website name / post name. If you leave it like this, you will find your website domain / all this thing. So you don't want it like this. You don't want numbers. You don't want like letters, numbers in your permalink. You need your keyword or your post name. Okay, so click on post name right here and then save. So basically your website already set up. You don't have nothing else to do. All you have to do is come here, start creating your pages and start posting, start writing article, because your website is ready. So let me check again Best Electronic to see how it's look like. All right, you see now it's look way different than the way it was before. Okay, all right, so now let's go work on the theme. So if I was not talking and doing the video, I was gonna be like, my website was gonna be ready to start putting content. But since I am talking and I'm doing the video, it's a little bit harder. So let's go to my theme. I have a simple theme that I am going to use in this. So, and for this example, I will use how to unzip. To unzip, I think I have to double click on it to unzip it. No, not that. I think let me see. Let me check if it's the folder. No, this is not the folder. This is another one. All right, let's go from scratch. I'm gonna have to redo everything. Wow, where did I find this picture? All right, so let's create. First, I will have to replace these two logo and this page. So let me go to canva.com, because I'm gonna have to create a logo from scratch. So I have a template. Where's my template? Template. I have a logo template. Where is it? I know I have a template. All right, this is I'm going to use this as my template to create the logo. So what I am going to do, and let me see, I think I have a logo already. Let me check if it's in here. I don't think I saved it here. Nope. All right, so let's make something quick, something like not special. Let's do it. Let's do it quick. Let's go on this here and click the heading. Best. You don't need nothing fancy, right? Let's say this is let me see if I can find an image that can match with this. All right, let me use this as my image. Let me see right here. Yeah, it does not look like, more like Europe thing. If I can find one that's look like American. If I cannot find one, I'm gonna have to use this. Okay. let me use this one. Use this one, take this one here, turn it. So you don't have to be like an expert in designing to do that, right? You need just take your time and just do it. It's simple, easy, it's straight. And let's change this into blue because blue is my favorite. Let me get my special blue. I have my special blue that I love. This is my blue. And for this one, leave it like this. Let me center. Let's say this is my my logo. Let me call this logo or my logo. Let me see what was the name in this, because I have to give it the same name. My logo, and download. And it has to be JPEG. Download. So now let's come here and we place it here to this. Download my logo. Oh, it's supposed to be PNG, not JPEG. Sorry. Let me go back. It's supposed to be PNG. Yeah. Okay, let me go back. Supposed to be PNG. Change it. Replace. No, replace. Okay. So the one that says PNG, let me delete it. Trash. And this one, I'm going to make a copy of it. Paste. Okay. And let me remove this. And I will call this my logo large. And that's it. Now we need a page. I can keep this one. But to keep this one, there's something I will have to do, because this one is JPEG, but I want a JPEG. So let me change this. To do that, I will need to go to Conversio to convert that. Conversio that co. I think that co. Conversio that. Alright, so I have to Google it. It's not .com, it's .co. It's not .co? Alright, let's Google it. Easier. Let's put JPG to JPEG converter and Conversio with TIO. Okay, and click up, put the image. Let's go on desktop. My theme. Too much work here. Too much work. Let me just drag it to page. But I will have to change this page because this not related to. It's not related to electronic. Let me. You know what? I don't have to come back and do it again. Let me choose the white one. Okay. So let me go to custom, and let me use the higher dimension. This should work. Okay, because I don't want to do a lot of work. So instead of doing all this, and let's go to, let me see if I can find something in this. Let me see this one. Let me use this one, but this one is not going to. This one is not going to cover the whole. Alright, I have to make it work. Sometimes you have to make things work. Okay, so let's call this page and download. Easy, simple. JPEG download. And let's go back to Conversio right now. This is a perfect image. Look at this. Choose the file, go to download page. This one was it? Okay, this one. Upload. And here, okay, it's already there. Just choose it, choose. And then click on convert to convert it. It's working right now. Give it a few seconds and it's done. Now I can download it. Download, ready. So one more thing I can do, if I want to change the size of this, download, it's 152 KB. If I want to bring that lower, I can come to tiny. Let me do this right now. This is what they call optimize. So I have to optimize it so it doesn't. If the file is small on my website, it will take long. It will not take a long time to upload. When someone click on my website, it will be fast. So make sure this one, upload. You see now it says 151.7 and now it's 95. So download, it's a little lower, and let's go back to this and move it to this folder. And here I have all right, let me change the name. All right, simple. Now all I have to do is just come back here. Wait, I have a lot of folder with the same name. Is it this one? Yes, it's this one. This one. So let me change the name because I might need to come back and this Best Electronics. So let me remove this one because I don't need this one. Okay, Best Electronic. Now all I have to do is zip, because compress, and I have it right here. Now let's go back to my website. So if I was not talking, if I was not doing the video and doing this, it was gonna be done long time. All right, so let's go to appearance, theme. So this is where you go to change the theme that you have. So this is the theme that I have right now. You can see it says activated and activate. So let's click on add new and upload theme. It's simple. In just 5 minutes you can do it. Let's go to desktop. This is where I have it. And Best Electronic. How come I have two Best Electronic? Okay, that was this one. It was this one. And upload, install. Okay, it's here. You can see the zip file. Install and activate. Always activate. So now let's go to, let's type Best Electronic. I'm going to show you something. Oh wow, well, it's already activated. And you can see this is my logo right here. And something, the background picture was too small. You can see it back here. it was too small. This is why it show up like this, because it was too small. So all I can do right now is put it bigger. You can see the speaker right back here. You can see it. Don't tell me you cannot see it. You can see it. Okay, so simple page. This is everything right here. And let's go back, because I have to change this and put it. I have to resize it. Sorry, resize. So let's put 3,000. 3,000 by let's put. So now the problem, I will have to do the exact same thing that I did from the last time. So I have to convert it to JPEG. Okay, let me download it. Simple. Now let's go back to Conversio. Yeah, I have to make sure I write it correct, the right spelling. Conversio right here, and choose the file. Good. Let's go to download. What's the name? Page 3, supposed to be 3, and upload. Okay, come here and choose JPEG convert. Okay, and come and download it. So now let's go back to this Best Electronic, and this one, to avoid confusion, let me delete this because I don't need it no more. And let's go to image page. This is the page that I had, and let's go to download, and this is the one that I have right now. Okay, 3.3.3, and this one, let me remove it because I don't need it. Replace. And this one, let me rename it. It's supposed to be page only. Enter. This is it. And right click, compress. Okay, it's right here. Now let's go back. So remember, this is the page, this is how it's look like. So let's go back. We're going to do the same thing. Add new, upload theme, select. Sometimes you have to do it until it's work. This is how it is. You have to do it, and when you master the thing, you know everything about it, you can come back and do it on one take, and it won't take you too long. That's why you have to practice. So to start practicing, all you have to do is just go to www.millionairetech.com/hosting and buy your first hosting, and you will get a free domain name. The domain name is $12.99, so you won't have to pay $12.99. You will just pay for the hosting, that is $6 a month. So if you're trying to do business and you cannot spend $6, that means you're not in business. So you're learning something that you can use for your life, something that can change your life, something you can make millions of dollars doing this. So if you cannot spend $6 to make $1 million, or $6 to, like, let's say you build one website, it will cost you charge the person $80 for the website, so you cannot spend $6 to earn $80. That's mean you're not in business. So I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. Make sure you all right. So I uploaded it. Now, since I had it before, now they asked me to replace it. So let replace it. And the content, let replace the content too. Let's give it a second. Yeah, it's a lot of content. That's why it's taking that long. And okay, so this is how it was before. So let me see how it's look right now. So everything is done. So let me refresh this. So let me see what happened right now. All right, it changed the content, but this still not working. Something is still give. Let me go back to this best electronic. All right, so I have to fix this. Maybe all right, so I have to fix this. So don't worry about this. You have the idea, so you can play with it until you fix it. So now what I have to do is just create a simple page. So let's click on edit. So this is how it's look like right now. So now I already have a template. To create for a simple landing page. That's right here. So if you don't know code, don't worry about it. You don't need to know code. I don't know code. I can do some simple stuff, but I don't know code. You don't need to know code. Okay, so let's come here, and this is the home page. Here you can change the name. I can call it something else, and here you will see, if I click on the video, this is the reason I download the plugin, the classic editor. That's the only reason I did that, so I can move thing like this. You see, now you see all the code and everything when you put it into visual, and you have the visual thing. So let's go back here and select everything and replace it by the one that I copy from my blog theme. Okay, this one. Okay, let's go back, and let me tell you, this is all those people who's doing business. This is what they do. They have the template. They just go copy and paste and give me your money. Okay, so this is how it's look like right now. Let me update it. Okay, so this is how it was. This is how it's look like, and let's refresh. Boom, it's working. Boom, this is my blog. Okay, so this is what I have right now. So here, all I have to do now is just go back, change the heading, put something else. Let me see. Let me go back. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So here I can change the page. Let's put best electronic hoverboard, because I will talk about hoverboard. Let's put get the best pricing on your. Okay, all right, and here I can put a picture of a hoverboard, and this picture I can resize it. If it's too big, I can like resize it. Just click on it, and then you can drag it, you see, the way you want. Simple. And here I can give more detail about the price, and here I can put, if I want to build my email list, this form is for someone who want to build an email list. So if you don't want to build an email list, you can just remove this and add something like some detail about the product. And here you can either put a download button or a purchase now or add to cart or whatever you want if you're doing drop shipping, because this work for either you want to do affiliate marketing website, drop shipping website, or a blog site, whatever, or news site, whatever type of website you want to do. It's the same process, the same thing. The information, the copy on the page, that's the only thing that changed. But after that, it is the same thing. So let me show you. So let's update and come back here. So this is how it used to look like, and then I can just come here, refresh again, boom. So this look a little ugly. I can go back and fix it, and I can do a shift enter to see if it can fix it. Update. Let me go back. Still not working. All right, there's two ways you can fix this. If you cannot get it the way you want, you can just create an image with it. You do another shift enter, hoverboard, enter. Okay, this is not good. Let me wait. Why you did that to me? And let's do this. Okay, update and come back here. All right, so now this is how it's look like. But if I check here, if you click, nothing going to happen because I don't put any link. You can click on anything right here. Nothing gonna happen because there's no link. And for this sidebar where it says blog, I can go back to change this. I can show you how you can do that. Just come here to appearance where it says widget, and you can either add or remove any widget you want. So you see blog here. If I want to remove it or put something else, I can do that. Like, let's say I want to remove it, just click here and remove. Say update, always update, and okay, simple, easy. Now all you have to do, you will have to come here and create different pages that you would want. So now you have like a blog page. This is where all your blog will place when you start writing articles. And you will have like a sample page. The sample page is the same page as, I don't need this. Let me make sure I remove it. Okay, so, and you can have, this is the front page, this is the blog page. You can have a privacy policy, product disclaimer. You can have a about me page. You can have different kind of page you want. And then with this simple theme, you will have to add your page name here, down here. Okay, now you can have, like, let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's go to the millionaire shortcut PDF. I will show you what I'm talking about. And this is one of my websites, and you will see down here I have all the disclaimer. I have privacy policy, I have review, the blog, I have video right here, and a home page, about me section, and all these things I have them here ready to go. So this is how you create a simple website. And this one is pretty simple because it's new. I just started working on it. If you click on the review right here, and it will take you here. This is my first post. And if you come back here, you will find I have like how come I have this here and I'm supposed to have, I have to fix this. And you can see right here I have recent posts, and I can move this wherever I want on the page. And if I want to put like some ads, or if I want to put ad inside like this one, this look like an ad, but it is not an ad, it's part of my content. And if I want to add, I don't want to like put AdSense on my website, I can do that also here. And like if you click here, let's see, this is my main website, by the way, this is my main website. And let's say you want to build a website like this, it is the same process, the same thing. See right here, let's go to home. This is millionairetech.com, by the way. This is the my main website. And you can see I have here blog about Millionaire Tech, contact, ebook, and all the information, and blog, and this is my footer. All of these are pages, and etc. So I hope you learned something new today. And if you want to watch the video again, you can go back and watch it again and learn more. And the best way to do that and to learn how to do it is to go to www.millionairetech.com/hosting, purchase your first hosting, and you will get a domain free. So if you want to know how to do that, I have video also. I might put it in the description of this video to show you how to do that. So this is it for this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give me a thumb down. So that way YouTube will know that you don't like my video. And leave me a comment with your questions. Any question that you have, leave me a comment and I will reply back, because I reply to all my comments. So this is it for this video, and make sure you check the description and to find some ways you can make money on the internet. So this can be a way to make a lot of money if you choose to do that. All right, so see you.